Hello, everyone. You might think this ordinary AA battery is only good for powering your remote control, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new, powerful purpose as a DIY soldering iron, capable of some truly surprising feats. The key here is what's inside, specifically the carbon rod. I'll carefully use my pliers to cut around the casing and extract it. This process needs to be done gently to avoid damaging the inner components, as we only need that central carbon part. Now that I've removed the outer shell, you can see the carbon rod, which will be the heart of our new tool. It's important to get it as clean as possible so we have a pure carbon rod to work with. To get our carbon rod ready, I'm inserting it into my electric drill. This allows me to precisely shape it. Using a grinding disc, I carefully sharpen one end of the carbon rod into a fine pointed tip. This sharp point is essential for concentrating heat and making precise contact during use. Now that our carbon rod is perfectly sharpened, it's time to build the handle. I have a box of keys here. I'll take one that has a small hole at the top. I will insert the key into the hole containing the carbon rod of this battery, transforming a simple key into a functional part of a tool. After inserting the rod, I'll apply some super glue to make sure it's firmly in place. To ensure a super strong bond, I'm using the classic super glue and baking soda trick. Baking soda acts as a catalyst when combined with glue, causing the baking soda to harden instantly and create a strong, durable bond around the key. I'm putting a drop of glue on the baking soda to secure the bond. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, let's look at the electrical connections. I have a valve here. I'm going to disassemble the valve. These will form the core structure, providing stability and a pathway for our electrical current. I'm taking a red electrical wire and stripping a section from one end. I'll then carefully wrap the exposed copper around the head of the valve. This creates our first electrical contact point. I'll use my pliers to twist and secure the wire tightly to ensure excellent conductivity, minimizing any resistance. It has to be super tight for good current flow. I'll thread the bolt through the key, securing it with a washer and a nut at the end. I'll tighten the nut firmly to ensure a stable and conductive connection. To secure the wires and provide a comfortable grip, I'm wrapping the entire assembly with electrical tape. This prevents any accidental short circuits or shocks, making our DIY soldering iron safe to handle. I'll wrap it snugly to keep all components in place. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, let's move to the other side of the red wire. I'll strip the outer insulation to expose the copper wire inside and attach alligator clips to the end of the wire. The alligator clip allow me to easily connect to the power source. I'm inserting our sharpened carbon rod into the key bolt assembly, ensuring a tight fit to transfer the current to the tip. I'm also preparing a blue wire in the same way, with alligator clips on both ends. This separation helps distinguish positive and negative connections. I'm connecting the red and blue alligator clips to the terminals of this 12-volt motorcycle battery. The blue clip goes to the negative, and the red to the positive. I've placed a small piece of wood as a workspace. Watch this. When I touch the carbon tip to alligator clip, it instantly glows red hot, demonstrating its powerful heat. This tiny DIY tool can now easily melt and bond metal. To show you its precision, I'm taking two small metal strips and arranging them into an X shape on the wooden block. Now, with our DIY soldering iron, I'm going to carefully apply touch to the joints. You can see it glowing, melting the solder, and fusing the metal pieces together perfectly. This shows how useful and versatile this little tool can be for small repairs or craft projects. I have this small metal cup and a loose handle. I'm going to use our homemade soldering iron to attach the handle. See how quickly it heats up and begins to burn through the material. It's really effective. You can see the carbon tip heating up and glowing brightly as I press it against the metal, creating enough heat to bond the handle securely. It's truly amazing what a simple battery component can achieve. A fully functional DIY soldering iron, made from everyday items like an old battery and a key. This project proves that with a bit of ingenuity, you can create powerful tools for your workshop. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.